Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu has said that the Solar Energy Corporation of India's agreement to purchase power from the Adani Group was an advantage for the state government, and any action on the bribery charges would be taken only after a thorough examination of the records. In fact, the Chief Minister said that the state government cannot scrap contracts unless there is adequate proof of irregularities. He said, and I quote, "We have to pay high penalties if we scrap these contracts. Unless there is clear proof, we cannot take action. We will move ahead as per the provisions of law after examining the records." That's what the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, has said today.
So what Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has said is that they cannot just vindictively, for the sake of political kind of a revenge, they are not going to be cancelling any kind of contracts until such time that they do not get any concrete proof. They are not going to be taking any kind of a punitive action. He has also pointed out that unilaterally cancelling contracts is going to be something that will invite very, very strict penalty on the government itself. Three things that he has said. One, that the agreement with the Solar Energy Corporation of India was in fact something that was beneficial to the government of Andhra Pradesh because it was giving power at a cheap rate. The government does have the indictments that the Securities Exchange and Commission in the US has given and named a foreign official number one. But Mr. Chandrababu Naidu has pointed out that no concrete proof has really come about in this particular context, and that's the reason why they are not going to take any action as of now. And he has said that we will move as per the provisions of the law after examining the records. And this, of course, he said at the TDP headquarters in Mangalgiri. And he said also that the cancelling of contracts is not an option because they need to have proof. What I must point out is that on the 22nd of November, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu had said in the floor of the assembly that they could in fact consider taking action on this if the allegations were proved. But as of now, they found no reason to think that there was any proof in this matter.